What's up, guys? Samantha here, and I've got something absolutely insane to share with you today. So I never thought I'd be saying this, but I made $3 million last year. Yeah, you heard that right. $3 million. And the craziest part? It all came from these 15 side hustles I'm about to show you. Stick around, because this is gonna blow your mind. Alright, so let's dive right into it. I know what you're thinking. $3 million from side hustles? No way. But check this out. The online world in 2025 is crazy different from what it used to be. There are so many opportunities out there that most people don't even know about. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. So yeah, I've spent the last year experimenting with all sorts of online gigs and side hustles. Some were total duds, but others? Absolute game changers. I'm talking about stuff that literally changed my life overnight. Let's kick things off with two classics that are still killing it in 2025, freelance writing and virtual assistants. Now, I know what you're thinking. Samantha, those aren't exactly groundbreaking, but listen up. The demand for these services has gone through the roof, especially with AI integration. For writing, I use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, but the real deal is specializing in AI-assisted content that still needs that human touch. As for virtual assistants, it's not just about scheduling anymore. I offer services like AI prompt engineering and data analysis on sites like Virtual Assistant Jobs. Next up, we've got online tutoring and social media management. Now, online tutoring has been around for a while, but in 2025, it's on a whole new level. I use platforms like Tutor.com and VIPKid, but I've niched down to teaching people how to work with AI in their daily lives. It's crazy how many people want to learn this stuff, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. As for social media management, it's not just about posting cute pics anymore. I offer services to help businesses navigate the wild world of AI-generated content and deepfakes. You'd be surprised how many companies need someone to make sure their AI isn't posting something totally off-brand, or, even worse, accidentally offensive. It's a booming market, and I'm cashing in big time. Alright, let's talk about two more big hitters, social media management and affiliate marketing. Now, I know we touched on social media before, but this deserves its own spotlight. In 2025, it's all about creating a cohesive brand presence across multiple platforms, including some new ones you might not even know about yet. As for affiliate marketing, it's still a goldmine if you know how to do it right. I've had massive success with Amazon Associates, but I've also tapped into niche markets like eco-friendly tech and AI-enhanced productivity tools. The key is to find products you genuinely believe in and create content that adds real value. When you nail that combination, the commissions just keep rolling in. Now let's dive into e-commerce and content creation. E-commerce in 2025 is wild, guys. I'm not just talking about dropshipping anymore. I've set up stores on Shopify and Etsy that use AI to personalize products in real time. Imagine selling t-shirts that change design based on the buyer's social media activity. Content creation is where things get really interesting. I'm not just making YouTube videos, although that's part of it. I'm creating interactive AR experiences, AI-powered choose-your-own-adventure stories, and even personalized workout routines that adapt in real time. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and offer content that people can't get anywhere else. Let's talk about podcasting and online courses. Now, podcasting might sound old school, but in 2025, it's all about immersive audio experiences. I'm not just recording my voice, I'm creating 3D soundscapes that listeners can explore with spatial audio. And get this, I use AI to generate personalized ad reads for each listener. As for online courses, forget boring slideshows. I'm creating fully interactive learning experiences on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. We're talking AI tutors, VR field trips, and real-time skill assessments. I've even started offering courses on how to create courses like this. Meta, right? But seriously, the demand for cutting-edge online education is through the roof. Okay, let's dive into digital marketing and dropshipping. Digital marketing in 2025 is all about hyper-personalization. I'm not just talking about using someone's name in an email. I'm creating marketing campaigns that adapt in real time based on individual user behavior, weather conditions, and even current events. It's wild, and businesses are paying top dollar for this kind of precision. Now, dropshipping. I know you've heard it before, but hear me out. The game has changed. I'm using AI to predict trends before they happen, and I'm partnering with 3D printing companies to offer custom products with zero inventory. It's dropshipping 2.0, and let me tell you, the profits are insane. Let's talk about making money with visual content. Stock photography has evolved into something wild in 2025. I'm not just selling photos anymore. I'm selling 3D models, AI-generated art, and even virtual reality environments. Sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock have entire sections dedicated to this new type of content, and the demand is crazy. But here's where it gets really interesting. I've started creating and selling what I call reactive stock. These are visuals that change based on the context they're used in. It's next-level stuff, and clients are loving it. Now, let's get into app development and translation services. App development in 2025 is not just about coding anymore. I'm creating AI-powered apps that learn and evolve based on user behavior. Translation services have also taken a wild turn. I offer services that don't just translate words, but adjust entire marketing campaigns to resonate with different cultures. One of my most successful apps is a personal finance assistant that adapts its advice based on the user's spending habits and financial goals. It's a blend of AI efficiency and human creativity that businesses are desperate for. Let's dive into proofreading and print on demand. Now, you might think proofreading is dead in the age of AI, but it's actually more important than ever. I offer what I call AI oversight. Basically, I check the work of AI writers to make sure it's accurate, on brand, and doesn't contain any embarrassing mistakes. Print on demand has also evolved like crazy. I'm not just slapping designs on t-shirts anymore. I'm creating smart clothing with embedded AR markers that come to life through a smartphone app. Imagine a band t-shirt that plays music videos when you point your phone at it. Yeah, it's that wild. And the best part? Zero inventory, all profit. Alright, let's talk about remote customer service and SEO consulting. Customer service in 2025 is all about blending AI efficiency with human empathy. I manage a team of AI chatbots, but here's the kicker. I jump in for the complex cases that AI can't handle. SEO consulting has also taken a wild turn. With AI-generated content flooding the internet, the game is all about making content that stands out to both algorithms and humans. I've developed strategies that blend AI-optimized keywords with genuine, creative content that people actually want to read. It's a delicate balance, but when you nail it, the results are insane. Now, let's dive into voiceover work and handmade crafts. Voiceover in 2025 is not just about reading scripts. I create dynamic voice content that adapts based on user preferences. Imagine an audiobook that changes its narration style based on the listener's mood. Yeah, it's that crazy. As for handmade crafts, it's all about blending traditional skills with cutting-edge tech. I sell handmade items on Etsy, but each piece comes with an AR experience. A hand-knitted scarf might come with a virtual fashion show showing different ways to wear it. It's about selling not just a product, but an entire experience. Okay, let's talk about data entry and online surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Data entry? Really? But hear me out. In 2025, it's not just about typing numbers into a spreadsheet. I offer what I call data curation services. As for online surveys, it's evolved into something much more interactive. I create immersive survey experiences using VR and AR. Imagine giving feedback on a product by actually using a virtual version of it. It's way more engaging than traditional surveys, and the insights companies get are incredibly valuable. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about transcription services and YouTube success. I offer what I call enhanced transcription. Not only do I transcribe content, but I also add contextual information, relevant links, and even interactive elements. And of course, we can't forget about YouTube. The key to success on YouTube in 2025 is creating multi-dimensional content. I'm not just making videos. I'm creating interactive experiences that viewers can engage with. Think choose your own adventure-style videos, or content that adapts based on viewer preferences. It's a whole new level of audience engagement. And there you have it, guys. The 15 side hustles that helped me make $3 million in 2025. I know it sounds crazy, but believe me, the opportunities are out there. All it takes is creativity, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to new technologies. So, what are you waiting for? Your own $3 million journey starts now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insane money-making tips. Peace out.